Hey there, creative minds. Did you know that 50% of creators are now using AI tools to enhance their work? That's a massive leap, right? Imagine transforming your artistic expression with just a click. So how can AI, specifically Adobe Firefly, elevate your creativity? Let's dive in. Alright, so let's talk about Adobe Firefly. This game-changing tool is designed specifically for creators who want to add stunning AI effects to their projects. It's all about making your artistic process smoother and more dynamic. Whether you're a graphic designer, an illustrator, or just someone who loves playing with visual content, Firefly can completely revolutionize the way you create. Now, we all know that creating visually appealing content can be a bit of a struggle, right? Traditional methods can be super time-consuming and often limit our creativity. You might spend hours trying to get that perfect effect or look, only to end up frustrated. Plus, there's the endless cycle of learning complex software that can leave you feeling overwhelmed. It's a challenge many creators face, finding the balance between quality and efficiency. But what if I told you there's a way to break free from these limitations? Let's jump into Adobe Firefly and see what it can do. Firefly is packed with features that allow you to create stunning AI effects in a snap. Imagine being able to generate unique textures, apply artistic filters, or even transform ordinary images into breathtaking pieces of art, all at your fingertips. The interface is user-friendly, so you won't be drowning in confusing menus. You simply upload your image, choose from a variety of effects, and boom, you're on your way to creating something magical. Plus, the AI learns from your style, which means the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your creative vision. How cool is that? Now, let me show you an incredible transformation using Adobe Firefly. Picture this. You have a basic landscape photo. With just a few clicks, you can turn that dull image into a vibrant, dreamlike scene with swirling colors and fantastical elements. It's jaw-dropping. This capability not only saves time, but also opens up a world of possibilities that you might not have considered before. It's like having a personal assistant who understands your creative whims and can execute them flawlessly. To wrap it all up, Adobe Firefly is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their creative workflow. It tackles the common challenges we face and transforms them into opportunities for artistic expression. With its intuitive features and stunning effects, you can create content that truly stands out. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any AI tools in your creative process? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're itching to learn more about creative techniques, don't forget to check out my other videos. Let's keep the creativity flowing.